What's up, bro? Another day. I heard some things that might seem bleak. I hate to admit that I do feel weak. Wake up in a field full of stars, but the sugar rushes to my head. When he wakes up, he coughs up blood, and he thinks of things he wants. A dream for the dead, a dream for the damned. But can I lose it all to you? Can I get lost to you? If I need a friend, I'll call to the moon. So pull the trigger, stain the sheets with your love. She told me not to get cold, but there's a couple years to go. Wave on departing friends. I'd like to wander down a painless hill, say farewell to all those nights alone. No loud shrieks can break this muse of mine. I'd like to dream for the dead. I like to dream for the dead, a dream for the dead. Wake up in a field of stars. Wake up in a field full of stars. The days won't matter when I'm with you. A dream for the damned, a dream for the damned. It's a dream for the damned, a dream for the damned. It's a